It's very much a relief to finally have everybody know why I'm gaining so much weight. Sorry, I don't speak Korean. I'm glad JoJo is using her Korean lessons for practice here, but seriously, JoJo, could you pick a character that is a little more easy to distinguish? They say like a wait, but I say they say like a wait, but I say I'm not here. Are you like a stalker or something? Are you like a cockroach? You just keep coming back, knowing to get rid of you? So she took her weave out and put it in my head. And I was like, oh my God. And I just looked horrible. It looked like her life.
This is so incredible.
It's like top secret, and we're all good at it. No, I don't know. Kendall, please.
I was so not prepared for that. You're so pretty.
Nashgrid and I. No, a real one. A real one. No, it's real. Trust we can do real and fake. Not surprised Maddie was on it twice. You should just be the whole pyramid.
Jojo. Jojo was a quiet week for you. I really didn't hear your mouth. That's a good thing.
Desperate mothers. Biggest butt?
Well, it looks like cotton candy here.
Someone giving a critique to Maddie about something she's doing wrong. I think I'm gonna like this Dallas photo.
This is cute.
Why can't you leave it alone? No, let's go. Okay, well, it's because he picked up a toast and dropped it.
Love.